Humbly before you, in all reverence and wonder, at your mighty hand that guided me. In love, I give myself to you. I am yours forever. I belong to you. You are my Jesus, beloved. My faithful love undone, I am done. My heart fills up with gladness and joy, embraced by your love and mercy. My